Hi, this is Anil from Learning Lad with a video tutorial on C programming. So in this tutorial, we're gonna see the two more character related functions available in C called toLower and toUpper. So these two functions are used to convert a character to its lowercase and to its uppercase. So we're gonna see the syntax of these two functions, and then we're gonna see how we can use them in our program. So this toLower function is gonna return the lowercase equivalent of the character, which is passed here if it is a letter, and else if this character passed is not a letter, then it's gonna return it as it is unchanged. Okay, next and this toUpper function is gonna return the uppercase equivalent of the character which is passed here. If character passed here is a letter, else it's gonna return that character as it is unchanged. Okay, now you guys may ask, like, okay, you said that this toLower and toUpper function is gonna return the lowercase equivalent and the uppercase equivalent of the character passed, but you can see here the return type is int. How it is possible? Okay, in C, when we work with the characters, it's gonna store the ASCII value of that character. So these toLower and toUpper functions are gonna return the respective ASCII values. So when we use this toLower function, it's gonna return the ASCII value of that lowercase of that character. So if it is confusing, don't worry, I'm gonna explain that with example. Okay, now we're gonna see how we can use these two functions in our program. So just for the demonstration purpose, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a variable of type char, and let me call it as ch. Okay, the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna use this toLower function. So I'm gonna use the printf function, and I'm gonna say lower case of %c is %c. Okay, here first we're gonna refer our ch variable, and next we're gonna use this toLower function. So it's gonna be toLower, and we need to pass the ch as a parameter. Okay, and to demonstrate this toUpper function, I'm gonna copy this one and paste it here in the next line, and I'm gonna say uppercase of %c is %c. It's gonna be ch and toUpper. And also, I told that in C the ASCII value of a character will be used. That's why, to demonstrate that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy these two statements, and I'm gonna paste it in the next line, and here instead of this %c, what we're gonna do is we're gonna use %d, so that you guys can see what values will be returned. So %d. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna store a character in our ch variable. Then let's say we're gonna store a. Since this character a is in the lowercase, this toLower function is gonna return the character as it is, and this toUpper function is gonna convert this character a to the uppercase and return that. So when I run this program, okay, before that, let me add a new line here just to make it pretty. Okay, I'm gonna save it, execute, compile, and run. Okay, you can see here lowercase of a is a, lowercase of small a is capital A. So you can see here, in the first line, lowercase of the ASCII value of small a is 97. So it says, because of this line, you can see lowercase of a 97, which is the ASCII value for this variable a, which is stored in this ch variable. And also, since that is in the lowercase, it just returned the same character. That's why we get 97. And then in this last printf statement, the uppercase of 97, which is the ASCII value of this a, is 65. That's because ASCII value of capital A is 65. So this is it, guys. This is about the toLower and toUpper functions in C. Thank you guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my Facebook page at facebook.com/learninglad, and if you guys have any doubts, feel free to post a comment in that video. So that's it guys, I'll see you in the next tutorial.